Hey everybody, and welcome to another tutorial from Marketing with the Twang. My name is Ben Blackman. I'm going to be talking to you real quick about how to install Google Tag Manager into Kajabi. Now, I'm making this video specifically because when I did searches for it a long time ago, it was really complicated, or I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, or whatever. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to make a video on it and show you what I did. Okay, so if you're using Google Tag Manager, now if you're not using Google Tag Manager, this may not be applicable to you, or at least not yet. If you want to learn how to really scale your business and do marketing from multiple platforms and that kind of stuff, then you're going to want to look at Google Tag Manager and start investing some time and effort into using it. One thing that Google Tag Manager is really good for is if you're using the Facebook pixel for your Facebook ads, which you should be, and you want to use standard event codes to track, purchases or track opt-ins or whatever, then you're going to want to use Google Tag Manager and Kajabi to make that happen. Okay, here's what most people tend to do, and I did this too, okay, so don't sweat it. As they go to the third-party integrations here, and they scroll down, and they input their Google Analytics code, and they input their Facebook pixel. And that's great. However, it doesn't work with Google Tag Manager, right? That's the whole point of Tag Managers. We don't want to have to install each of these individual things. So here's how you do it. You go into the website. You're going to go to Manage Themes, and then we're going to come down here, okay, to whatever theme you have, and click Edit Code. And then where it says Layout, so you'll open that up, and you're going to go to Theme.Liquid. And so once you're here, you can see all this code. You don't have to understand all this. All you have to understand is how to copy and paste. Okay, so let's go into Google Tag Manager. So hopefully you already have this set up. If you don't, obviously you would have to do that. You'll come right here if you don't know where to find your codes, right there. And this part of the code has to go after the head tag. So you copy that, and you would paste it right here, or in my case, and I can't remember why I did this, but in my case I just pasted it right before the closing head tag, but somewhere in between the head, that's where you want to do it. So usually just after the opening of it or just before the closing, either one's fine. However, there's one more step. You also have to get the body code, which is here in Google Tag Manager. You copy it, and you want to paste it directly after. So I put it on line 58. You can see right here. You want to paste it right there, okay, right after the body, and then you want to save it. Okay, now it's installed. So to check and see if it's working, what we do is, and if you don't do this already, you're going to want to start in Google Tag Manager, hit Preview, and you'll see this thing come up right here. Okay, and then in Kajabi, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to open this up. And so you're going to see down below this kind of debug. Don't let that scare you. This debug screen. So, and don't, I have a lot of tags on there. You won't have all these, or probably won't have all these. Just hold off on this part right here. I'm going to show you something else. You can see that the Facebook pixel is firing if you have the pixel helper. You can also see if you have the Google Tag Assistant, which you should if you're using Google Tag Manager, to see that it's looking good here, which that is. This is okay. Okay, this happens a lot, this blue tag. But these are just fine. And then if I look here, I can see what's actually fired on this page, and I can also see what's not firing on this page. Okay, so I've got, here's my Facebook pixel. You saw that, right? That's my Facebook pixel. You can see Google Analytics, right? You can also see Active Campaigns code. I have it firing on this page. Can't remember why though, actually. I have ManyChat firing on this page, even though I don't use ManyChat on this page. So, I have all those things there. If all you have is the Facebook pixel and Google Analytics and that's it, that's fine. But that's how it works. That's all you have to do to set it up, and you're ready to go. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks.